Hi, I'm Laia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna crochet this flower coaster together. It's very easy to follow. First, we start with a magic ring. Work on 9 half double crochet in the magic ring. Pull the tail end to close the ring. One slip stitch to join the ring. 2 chain stitch to start row 2. In the row 2, work on half double crochet increase in each foundation stitch. Repeat the pattern until you have total 18 stitches. 1 slip stitch to join the row 2, 2 chain stitch to start row 3. In the row 3, work on 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase. Repeat the pattern until you have total 27 stitches in the row 3. Join the row 3 with a slip stitch, then change the color. In the row 4, work on 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase. Repeat the pattern until you have total 36 stitches. Join the row 4 with a slip stitch, 3 chain stitches to start row 5. In row 5, work on 4 double crochet, 2 double crochet increase. Repeat the pattern until you have total 48 stitches. Join the row 5 with a slip stitch. In the row 6, work on 4 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet. Repeat the pattern until you have total 60 stitches. Join the row 6 with a slip stitch. In the row 7, we work on 4 half double crochet, 6 double crochet increase. Repeat the pattern until you have total 96 stitches. In the last row, work on 4 single crochet and 12 double crochet. Join the last row with a slip stitch, then cut yarn. Now you have a nice flower coaster. Okay, hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.